Hello guys, I'm Maryam from LabLab Marketplace, and in this short video we will discuss about the workflow management in the app curator community app. So in this section, in the categories, you create app, just open the one of the app you create here. In the app curator community app, you see the workflow management from here. So from here you select the location first and then add the workflow you create for the installation and uninstallation of your app. When someone install your app, the workflow you want to uh, work, you have to add from here. And then same as for the uninstallation, select the workflow here. So this is all how you add your workflow and manage your workflow management. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.